Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be, say he no dey alone. He dey with some people wey come from UK, Germany, and Kola Edokpayi. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Enjoy the video.
Deacon is from UK, from Germany, then Kola and Nigeria never travel. Me I never travel. All of us there. Yeah, my people. Talk am as e be, we are not alone. Now, our men, our fathers, they're in Nigeria. We are together. We dey brainstorm how we go fit make Edo great. No be the one way politicians dey talk. Now, the real making Edo great, now we dey discuss. And they couldn't see their face. So, the other call in the drinking much. With Guguru and Granot. So I say, we here they take them as it be. Money not today. We really take Guguru and Granot. That Cameroon, I beg, greet our people.
Good afternoon, all Edo people, Edos in diaspora. We are right on ground here with Apostle Uyinosa, strategizing on the way forward of Edo State. With the Edos in diaspora, we are here brainstorming with our brother Kola Edokpayi, the great comrade, and with our dad Deacon Agawa from UK. Yeah, it's a full house. Yeah, where I'm a wise so what we know best is what we are doing.
Yeah.
Yes, and it's going well.
Thank you, sir. Make una hear from Daddy of our time, the Kinagawa. Papa, have I talked to our people?
My people, I greet them well because one they say, they see rabbit for daytime. And when you see rabbit for daytime, you know say something will happen. My people, we want to let you know, say, our brother, our son, Alfred Uyinosa, there is something this man did do where I like. What make me come out together with my children. Stay here. Everybody know him. See our brother, see Edokpayi, see our sister. We all day here. The thing we say, my people, make we know say anything when affect one finger, they affect the rest. That is the reason why we did here. And we want to assure our brother, Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, that this journey, when they so, we did behind them. Make enough fear. And the same thing I want to tell all our Edo people, all our Nigerian people. The only thing we'll go forward, move forward, not for us to agree as we sit down for this table. So we dey talk something reasonable, and this reasonable thing now go feel carry us go the next stage. But when this one follow this side, the other one follow the other side, you know say the thing not correct. No better decision. The reason why we are making example, small group, but we don't make very vital decision today. And that kind of gathering is what we are calling all Edo people, all Nigerians. Look when they gather, they speak in one voice, so that this problem, what we do now, will be a thing of the past in our life.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, our brother they go court. We will be the eyes of the diaspora. We're there on ground now. We go follow and go there. And diaspora, I want to let you people know, most of them when they fear to come home. People are not fear. Now home be this. Beneath Proverbs say, so if your conscience, the English people say, clear conscience, fear no accusation. Please, I am encouraging you people to come and enjoy the fruit of your labor. Don't go to Port Harcourt, don't go to Abuja, don't go to Lagos to go and begin to create settlement. Here we need to develop. And the more we develop our land, our people now go to enjoy them. May we not go to throw away our money for another land, for another state. Those people, especially people, my group, during the war, this Nigerian Civil War, we know what happened there. And I the advice now, your wet, carry on, come home. Come enjoy. Not carry on go another place, because when something happen, and it will happen. It will happen, oh, those things when you go put for another state, you not go see them. But the one way you put for a state, the where you come from, or whoever place you want to, any of the tribe where you want to plant your home, you will see them. But this very one, I encourage our Edo people. I beg una, come home and invest, and come and rest like what we are doing now. My son Morodion, are you not enjoying your stay?
Why not?
You dey fear to go out? Anybody will stop you.
I'm outside.
So my people more than see them. So we use this medium to encourage you people to come home. These people, when they do all these things for streets, so now because of state not settle, government not create employment. If them belefu, these people they not go do anyhow. I not blame them. When Pekin chop belefu, they not go tell people saying they're hungry.
That's true.
He go stay in house. So this is the problem, and this problem needs to be solved. And who will solve it? Now you and me, not by running away. My people. That's why I will talk and reach today. I agree to you.
Now, well done. My people, we are ready by the grace of God in making Edo great. We are starting from the grassroots. The spiritual leader, comrade Etokpa Kola Abeg, talk to our people.
My people, I greet you now, our people for Nigeria and the ones who are abroad. I greet you now. I want this opportunity to welcome my very, very dogged, my astute, my progressive, my ever corrosive comrade Roland. Now, solid progressive. Now he be all the way from Germany. Now he come. I greet you. I want to use this opportunity to welcome my father, my papa, Chief Agbolao.
No, I said.
Padomosa. Welcome. Now, as we talk to my papa just now, my mommy come here, Barrister Mrs. Igbo Okoje.
Wow.
Now she will come and say, my son, support of Baseki now, support of Baseki now, say, from my garage to my own
Opinion.
opinion, and my own hand with this one. As our papa talk just now, say our brothers and sisters who are abroad, may they come invest for our dear states. There is no way we will feel progress for our states when investment, our people not invest. The investment that matters a lot. If you look at, you cannot compare those states now with River State.
No.
You cannot compare those states now with Imo State and other states. If I'm more not talk of Northeast, or those states, those Northeast, those areas.
They don't go live out.
The bandit don't defeat our president. You understand? We live in a country where bandits they defeat the whole president who call himself general. That's so it be. This one has been the situation we will be for our country. There is fire on the mountain. And you pray to God, may another civil war not happen for our state. If they travel from Benin to Abuja, you will pray to God. Say, God, we will not see all those Baba people for road, we will not see bandits for road, we will not see all those Boko Haram people for road. And you see the prayer against accidents in road. The thing get as it be. We're supposed to get a responsible and a responsive government at the federal level. We know the see for these things. The thing get as it be. But when you bomb talk and say for economy, they tell us say ceteris paribus. Other things being equal, those state, our states, they come to some extent. That is why we, as activists, we make sure say yes. There is no oppression, because now oppression, they make some kind of things they happen. Because of oppression, some set of people will say, no, we are ready to die. They'll go get linked with this subject. At the end of the day, they beat the tom-tom of violence for the state to the extent say the governors will call it travel. They go Abuja, they govern the state from Abuja. We don't want that kind of situation for those states. That is why we, our brother, we come here today with our brother from UK, our brother from Germany, and our apostle, who they talk on CB, the progressive apostle, the only progressive apostle. When I don't see, but I hope you know they collect offering and title.
Hey, you need to join us now.
Offering and tithe. Now for them for a video.
You need to join.
As an apostle of the commoners, you're supposed to pay offering to the commoners.
Very important. Which I'm doing already.
Yes. God should go sit down. Make we brainstorm on how to move our state forward. Not be those states not be only for Obaseki or for Philip Shaibu or Oge. The three people now they say Jordi on board. You know, so we never have no commissioners yet. If anything happen for our state, to be all of us will suffer. Both the ones when they are abroad, they get family for years. That is why we say we join our hands together to see how we to join our governor to move those states forward. Brother and sisters, I greet you now.
Now do well.
He
said. So my people, tomorrow na court day. And tomorrow, you know, fighting for Obaseki is not only Obaseki, we fight for the progress of Edo State. We have no regrets, but we have learned our lesson. And we thank God. We'll talk about CDB. We'll take court tomorrow. And my people, let me know, say, I am not alone.
Yes,
just see their faces. Yeah. So, we are prepared. We are prepared. So, my people.
I don't know whether our sister was something to say.
The barrister of our time.
Please.
So, Mama, talk to our people. God bless you, man.
The thing I want to say, these are those states, all of us get and you know, say if governments come, you know, will stay past 2 terms.
That's all.
I say constitution. But that constitution, they are Bible for Nigeria. I say the Bible of those states, we all of us rely on. If there are no settle, no let us stay.
That's true.
So we will encourage our youth, say maybe they support good discipline. First thing, because if you will not get discipline, you don't feel go anywhere.
That's true.
Like our brother and I call like Dr. You know, you say that if they catch up for thief, you know, feel they work out for street.
That's true.
I tell and say, they what they call political detainee. Those ones they work out for street, usually they hit chest and I mean stuff for people. If you hold political detainee, I make a grant take code, now you roll and put. Not be say make a thief take a waka. Political detainee is for everybody. So we will beg our youth, make them behave well. No one see them for thief, no one see them for indiscipline. One see them say they work, like those days when they go, they come from this land. If you be rich man, you know, we don't know where you see your money na babash. But nowadays, we all see man, we all say like woman, go where you ring. You get where they run follow and they go for the street. You don't know where the man see the money. Which kind of life is that? Now who born you with the ass? Who are you disciplined rich? Not be how you see money where we don't know how you get. So we want to beg our youth, our boys and our girls, may they bring back that discipline where they take train us, come back to life. We want to make our boys they behave, we want to make our girls they behave well. Because if we behave well, all these police where they for the street, they don't get work.
That's true.
Their work go reduce. Supposed to be called police say you know sleep, and the police go to run the corner. Not me say you can't tell us what you know they do. I don't understand the meaning of their own, not they do for my side. I don't know I'm not know because the best way to get money where they come out where I can a human being. They don't plug the money for tree, now work to work out.
Yeah.
So all those things won't make our boys go learn work. Because as a person, made me there, so my daughter for uni there. During COVID-19, she did about market, they learn how to do finger. You must learn a trade. If you like, you go to school. You must still learn a trade. My sons, who during holiday, I almost let us start a new DSTV, they DSTV. Something like that now. Make them go to learn generating work. So if my generator plug no work, I know go call the man and my boys go check out. If he pass their power, we go call experts. So when we go to learn trade, all of us, when we teach our children to go learn trade, make they know this street. The only thing I want to beg Edo State government is we need Edo State school of nursing. Once upon a time, we were exporting nurses in this land. For those people where they go for another, I think credit they pay the bill. We thank them because they don't open NC, where boy get 3 credit get. But state school of nursing, state school of military, where 3 credit people they go. We want them back so that our guests know what they only they pay smart. Because you pay smart, woman will not get work. Which work you want to do for a man? Our brothers they abroad. If they come here, come marry, get away, do nothing. They go to bring more money, come and do. You don't want a lot. So tell woman say no harlot, you won't show and work. And if you get an not, you know what be harlot. And let that one get to beg and state government. God will bless all of you.
Thank you very much. Powerful speech.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, my people, by the grace of God, we all need each other. And no man can succeed alone. No man can survive alone. But if you want to eat alone, you die alone. And that day, people gather to eat rice for your grave. So that's not parable, not what not true. But we thank God we are preparing for tomorrow's case, and we know God has granted us victory already. Thank you, my people. We'll see you guys later tomorrow. God bless you. My name is Chidinma Apostle Alfred Oyinosa. The man when they talk am as they be. Tell friend truth, you know this boyfriend. What is not good is bad. A community where good people for keep quiet, Ambroba will become general overseer. Una well done. God bless you. Bye.
I beg, help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.